Hi, everyone. Say hello. Let us know that you're watching. Scott.
Good morning.
And Amy from Sharky's Greenhouses up here in Kerwitz, Wisconsin. And we are talking about pansies today. Aren't these just happy? Look how beautiful these are. So,
I love all of the different little faces on them.
There's so much variety in the pansies, and they're certainly a fan favorite. They're kind of an old school classic pansies. There's so many types of pansies,
Yep.
Not just colors and variety there, but we have some of the plain, I would call that kind of plain, solid colors.
Yep, the ones that don't have faces.
Yep.
And then ones that have faces.
And
then,
yeah, look at the variety in here.
This is a frizzle sizzle mix, so this one has little ruffles along the edge with the face.
Yeah, so these are really unique. But there's such a vast variety in them. And we were going to talk about deadheading pansies and their care and cleaning them up and what you can use them for, what they like, what they don't like. So that's what we're going to be talking about today, are pansies. So the first thing, pansies are typically a little bit cooler weather plant. So most often pansies will, not that they fizzle out during the summer, during the heat of the summer, but they can have kind of a resting period. So they actually do like the cooler weather. But there are some fantastic varieties of pansies that will just absolutely be blooming all summer long. So the cool wave pansies, by wave that make the same, the wave petunias, they have a series called Cool Waves. Those are fantastic. And for making like a little hanging basket.
And they tend to trail a little bit more.
Yeah, they'll go over, like we've done them in 8 and 10 inch hanging baskets, and they just kind of mound up and they trail down. They make a beautiful little hanging basket.
And they stay blooming for most of the season.
Yeah, we've had great luck with those. So the Cool Waves are fantastic, but we're going to be focusing really on the bedding plant style of the pansies. So deadheading. Pansies, you do need to deadhead, and it's super simple, but you just want to make sure that you stay on top of it, because what happens if you don't deadhead a plant that needs it, then they all kind of expire at the same time. The best thing is to just stay on top of it. And we tell a lot of our customers that, when you use that Fertilizer Friday of jogging your memory and reminding yourself to fertilize, that just go through and deadhead on Fertilizer Friday. And that way, that every week you're just kind of staying on top of it. And then, it's constantly producing nice, fresh blooms for you.
And it doesn't have to be a perfect, you don't have to be where you get every single one if you don't have time. But if you walk through and you're just walking by and you're like, oh, I see something, grab it, take it off. And that, at least that's one step further into getting that to promote new growth. Otherwise,
yeah, just maintaining that. With Zoe's walking through again. She always walks into our live videos and bumps the camera. But so deadheading pansies, super easy. So you can see a few of these flowers are spent. They're done, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to nip it off.
Up close.
I'm going to take this stem down, and you can see on the edge here that it's expired. It's starting to dry up, and a lot of times we'll just nip it off right behind, but you can take that all the way down and take that whole stick off. Either way is acceptable. It's not a big deal, but a lot of times we don't have a lot of time in the greenhouses, and we'll just go through and, okay, you know what? I need to just go through deadhead, boom, 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 and just go through and clean it up, and you're all done and cleaned up. But again, just staying on top of that maintenance and doing it at least once a week is really going to help your pansies look much nicer.
And keep blooming.
Yeah, and keep blooming. So, cleaning up, making them nice, and then also forcing new blooms to come up. But they're an absolutely beautiful, happy little flower. I don't think there's a flower that looks happier than a pansy.
I think it's because of all the faces.
Yeah, there's such a variety, and they're so cool.
I love the ones that end up looking like grumpy little men.
Like me. Grumpy little men. Define that, please.
Doesn't that look like a grumpy little old man?
That's happy.
I know, but look at his little mustache, and he just looks like,
Well, turn it upside down, and then he's smiling.
But he's so cute. Like that?
Yeah.
Then he just looks like he's deceased.
I think you're...
told him, I
It's
said,
like
I think we should name like each one, like this is Herman and this is Luis, and
it's like an ink blot on paper. Like, I don't see it. I think they're happy. What do you think? I think they look happy. But anyway, so
grumpy little man.
cleaning them up, deadheading them, just as a maintenance and doing that at least once a week. Fertilize once a week with the Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. Once a week is pretty sufficient. Yeah. Watering, watch your watering. You want to be right in the middle. You want to have too much, too little. You can kind of look in most plants will kind of tell you, but you do want to definitely be somewhere right down the middle. But they're not fussy like a petunia will be very, very dramatic, where those leaves will really droop down. The pansies aren't real fussy. Again, they can handle pretty cold weather. And they're not that you're going to be able to put them out and it's 10 degrees, but they can handle some frost. They're pretty hardy.
And they will tear off a little. Not that they'll tear off. They'll not bloom quite as much during the summer. So they're more of that spring plant, and then in the fall they'll kind of kick back up and do again. A real big bloom.
They'll have I don't even say a resting period, because I don't want you to think that the pansies, there just won't be any flowers. It just might not be as profuse as spring and fall. So
because of that cool weather.
Yeah, they do prefer the cool weather, which is why it's
varieties, cool waves. Now those were totally different.
Yeah,
those
they just
went
bloom
all summer.
Yeah, they look just gorgeous all summer long. So those are just a few of the things. Deadheading, very easy. Fertilize once a week with the Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. Keep your watering just kind of moderate. But they're very easy. They're very foolproof. So give pansies a try.
Pretty.
And they're a great little accent plant too. Sometimes we'll make up containers, and you might have some of your bigger, a geranium or salvia or something in the middle. And sometimes I'll take a pansy, and you just want to give it a little splash of color somewhere. And especially like a yellow, and just kind of stick it in there. They do fabulously. So that is our tips and tricks on having successful pansies. Give them a try, and let us know down below if you've had good luck with pansies. All right. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye.